Love it when stuff comes in the mail. Oh, so I was expecting this. This is a propane adapter by Maple Fire. All right. And what's nice about this is that it lets me connect a Coleman propane canister, the one that you commonly use for your gas stoves, lanterns, you name it. They're quite versatile. They're little 1.5 pound bottles, and this adapter allows me to connect those same Coleman propane canisters into my all season little mini backpacking camp stove. So let's come on into the garage and grab it out of there. If you're like me, you got gear issues. All right. So what we got going on is I have a whole bunch of these little canisters back here, right? Because, you know, I got a little bit of everything that uses it. Now, also, I got, there it is. All right, now, let's go. Pop this bad boy in here. All right, everybody. So, what we got here is, again, the Maple Fire canister adapter for propane to a camp stove. So, what is this? All right. Well, what this does, it allows me to connect one of these. This is a BRS 2000. It's a ultralight backpacking stove, and this I use when I'm out backpacking or hiking or camping. This is super nice. It's ultralight, super small. All right. Now, you would normally have something like this, like a jet boil. All right, when you're out there camping, and it uses a fuel, right? A mixed fuel. Now, this one right here is an example of that mixed fuel, and it has several different types of stuff in there. All right. Now, you would connect this right here on top, like so, and this would be your camping stove. Now, what this little adapter does from Maple Fire is that it allows me to connect to a Coleman canister, right, and adapt and add that same little camp stove onto it. Now, why would you do that, you ask? Okay, well, this has a lot of fuel, if you haven't noticed. There is quite a significant size difference between the two, and these are actually cheaper and more abundant. You can get them everywhere. I mean, from Walmart to Big Five, you know, and everything in between. All right, they're everywhere. All right, these are a little bit more nichey, and they're a little bit harder to find. You have to go to REI or order them online or whatnot, but or on Amazon. These are a little bit more difficult to find. But so we want to go ahead and do this. Now, if you connect this directly to the stove, it's going to start venting out here at the top. So the order operation will be, first, make sure that your stove is closed and locked tight. You want to go ahead and thread this on carefully without stripping the threads there. And you want to put that on there snug. All right, hand tight, just like so. So now I got the adapter on the camp stove, and from here you just want to go ahead and carefully thread that on to the Coleman canister. You're going to hear a little bit of gas possibly when it actually cracks the seal. Right there, hand tight, just like that. And that's all there is to it. Using a light fire source, just want to go ahead and slowly crank that bad boy on. Now that is putting out a lot of heat fast. And now I have a functional, lot of fuel supply camp stove. So there you have it, folks. The Maple Fire propane adapter for camp stoves. It's Russell with Dawn to Dusk. Thanks for watching.